Welcome to Coco Doll Diaries. If you need a product review, you should just hire me. I'm into fashion, travel, and relationships. I focus more on narcissism.
Everyone, welcome to my channel, Coco Doll Diaries. On here we discuss fashion, relationships, travel, and you know I love those narcissists. And we also do some product reviews, and I thought that it was about time that I did a product review because I have so many lined up, but I just have been, my hands have been in everything. I've been doing a little bit of everything, and I haven't gotten to doing any product reviews. So this product review, I'm doing it for here on my YouTube channel, just to show you guys some of the gadgets that I get. And I'm also going to do one for my Amazon page. I will link this one into this video for what I'm doing. So basically, I talk about my diet and me going on a semaglutide, however you pronounce it, journey. And I've been taking my injections. They are once a week, and you inject it in your stomach. I've been doing this for the past, how many months? I think 2 months now. And because I just moved, I'm no longer in the apartment anymore. I don't have a gym here. So I just have like some dumbbells and, you know, little stuff. But for the most part, I've got my vibration plate. And I've been doing that for a few minutes a day, and I've noticed a big change. So if you too are on semaglutide, however it's pronounced, and you need an exercise routine, you work from home like I do, you can hardly get out, I think getting a vibration plate is the best. It's a lymphatic drainage. You feel it all throughout your body, and the good thing about it is only thing you have to do is really stand there. So I'm going to show you the one that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'll show you exactly how it works and what I do. And I'm in my pajamas because I'm tired. But I know I haven't got a video out to you guys in a while, and it's just because of the move. I do want to give you guys a tour, and I did like a small little tour, but I want to give you a more detailed tour. So we'll do that later on down the line. But I made progress in here. So without further ado, let me show you my vibration plate. So this is it, guys. I got this off Amazon, and it does come with a little remote. Okay, has a power button. I don't know what that one is, but I'm telling you, when you do this, you do feel it. Also, it does come with these little pulley things so that you can kind of like strength train. If you turn it on, I mean, you can do it with the remote, or you can just come on, turn it on. So there it is. You can choose what program you want and the mode that you want to start it off on, and it works you out. So I'm going to show you what I look like on here, and don't come for me because I do have on my pajamas. So I put on pants because I had a lot going on with those little booty shorts, but I'm gonna get it started just to show you how much it shakes, and you feel like a total body workout. All right, so let me start it up and kind of show you. So it starts. I see my little thighs jiggling. But really, you can stand there. You can pull on these things as well to, you know, build some strength training or whatever. But it starts off slow, and you feel it all throughout your legs. Like you can feel all the drainage or whatever. And I know my voice is all shaky now because I'm moving, but when you're done, you feel like a total workout. And when you wake up in the morning, if you're the type that gets on scales, you will see that the weight is dropping off. So I would definitely recommend that for you. If you want something that can get you right in a short amount of time, especially if you're on any type of diet regimen, it works. And you can feel it. Like, you can feel it throughout your body. Like I said, I didn't want to give you the whole visual in my little booty shorts, but I normally do it after I get out the shower. I will get on for the night. I do work from home, so I'm sitting for the majority of the time. So I needed something that would give me a little exercise when I didn't feel like doing it. I mean, it shakes everything in you. And I think, like, you hold your legs further apart, you can feel it a little bit more. You hold them closer together, it's kind of more controlled. And you feel like the lymphatic drainage. You can feel everything. When you get off, you're itchy throughout your whole body. So I would say try it. It didn't cost that much. If I could recall, maybe I spent $70 for it. And I did use my own money for that purchase. But it is on my Amazon storefront. I will link the one that I got, but I'm pretty sure anyone does work. And try it out. If you want to lose a little bit of pounds, some inches, it's like the best thing now on the market. So here you have it. Until next time, I will do a few more product reviews because I was looking over my stuff. I was like, I haven't done a review in a while. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to go in my comments and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, see ya.